Part of the RLT mission is exposing people to the outdoors and off-road adventure. Part of that is teaching them tips and tricks that we've learned along the way on our adventures. So in this series, we're going to focus on tools that we recommend for any off-road adventure, and we'll even provide some examples. So make sure to check out this series and learn more about tools that you need to go to the dirt. To the dirt. I think I'm stuck. Taking the road less traveled means that sometimes that you have to go solo, which means that you have to be self-sufficient. Here in Florida, we have sugar sand that can swallow your tires whole and leave you framed out. That's when we head to the back of the rig and grab our handy dandy RLT shovel. Check this puppy out. Aww. We like this small and sturdy shovel because it fits well in the back of our truck. It saved us many times, as you'll see in these upcoming clips, and it's paid for itself in spades. So before you hit the trails, make sure you grab a shovel and take it to the dirt. Check out this clip.
You're just slipping down that way. It's from like, oh. That's working.
To the dirt.
Here, do that again. Now what?
Now we're gonna leave.
Oh.